It is a great honor to stand before you today at the 4th International Research Conference hosted by St. Dominic College of Asia. We extend our warmest greetings to all the distinguished guests, fellow researchers, and participants gathered here. Good day, everyone. I'm King Matthew Inco, together with my co-researcher John Lawrence Lano from Landi National High School, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Mimaropa Region, Philippines. And we will be presenting our study entitled Exploring the Paano ba ito Dilemma, Understanding the Challenges for Non-Native English Speakers in Learning Coding among ICT Grade 11 students.
As of now, many students facing many challenges when it comes to Java programming. So, what is Java programming? Java programming is a process of writing computer program using the Java language. With Java, you can build a wide variety of application for simple ones to complex system like website, mobile apps, and even large enterprise software.
The reason why we conduct this study are to find out how hard Java programming is for non-native English language, to see if they understand the languages when it comes to Java programming, to assess how the teacher can support his students in Java programming, and to obtain possible solutions for non-native speakers in English so that they can better understand Java programming. Because Java programming involves understanding syntax, keywords, and documentation, which are primarily in English. Non-native English speakers may struggle with these elements due to limited proficiency in the language, making it harder to grasp concepts and follow coding practices. Whether someone understands the language when it comes to Java programming, you can use a variety of methods and indicators. These approaches aim to gauge both the technical proficiency and language comprehension required to work with Java.
Statement of the problem. The main problem of this study is how difficult is it for non-native English speakers to understand what they are doing in Java programming. And the sub-problem are: what are the respondent thoughts on the English language? How well do the respondent understand what they encode during Java programming classes? How does the respondent go around the language barrier they have with coding? And lastly, how does the respondent first language affect their understanding of their Java lesson?
This study is conducted at Landi National High School, Landi, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Mimaropa Region, Philippines. The time frame for this study is from February to April 2024, with the selected senior high school students as the participants. This study is qualitative in nature and is phenomenological since this kind of research is lived experience that reflects the personal insights based on the daily lives of the respondents. The data gatherings are semi-structured interviews, observations, and document analysis.
For the resulting discussion, for Table 1 shows the different thoughts when they encounter English language in Java programming. Most of their thoughts, they are find it difficult to understand the language because they have a lack of knowledge in English language. A significant finding from the research is that many students find it challenging to comprehend the programming language and concepts because these materials are presented in English. This suggests that the language barrier is a major obstacle in their learning process. For Table 2, shows the language barrier in understanding Java programming concepts significantly hinders student ability to learn effectively as they struggle to comprehend the English language materials, documentation, and error messages essential for mastering the subject. These barriers lead to misdirection of concept, slower learning, and increased frustration, which can diminish their confidence and interest in programming. For Table 3, explain that the student face a language barrier when coding because the instruction and materials are in English. This makes it hard for them to understand Java programming concept. As a result, they struggle to grasp the rules and ideas of Java, which slows down their learning and causes frustration. And lastly, for Table 4 shows the language problem make it hard for a student to learn and understand Java programming because they don't know enough in English. They struggle with lesson, understanding coding concept, and fixing errors. This slows down the learning and causes frustration, make it tough for them to do well in the course.
As a result, many students in the information and communication technology strand face challenges to a lack of proficiency in English, which is the primary language and use in this field. This can be particularly problematic in courses like Java programming, where a strong understanding of technical terms and concepts is essential. To overcome this, many students turn to resources like YouTube tutorials. And as the result of the study, all the students we interviewed had a tough time with the English language, which caused challenges when working on Java projects. This means that when teaching Java, educators need to pay extra attention to beginners who might struggle due to limited English proficiency. Based on the feedback, the teacher's good teaching and watching tutorials on YouTube can have a positive impact on their coding skills.
In conclusion, the researcher found that need for information in English make understanding troublesome. The researcher identified that when there's a need for information in English, it can cause some difficulties in understanding. This happened because English is the most widely used language in many technical fields, including programming. And the researcher recommendation are: encourage students to learn English to improve their Java programming knowledge. Future researchers should look into how other dialects in the Philippines handle this problem, and should look into how Eastern Asian deal with this problem like Chinese, Japanese, etc. And should look into whether there's a difference between rural people result and city people result in this problem.
Complete list of references can be accessed on the IMRAD format provided by the researchers. Thank you. Now, we are ready for your questions, suggestions, and recommendations.